direct investment in China rose 8.7% in July compared to a year ago to $7.8 billion. So this takes the total for the first 7 months of this year to more than $75.6 billion US dollars. Today's FDI numbers come as the Chinese central bank lowered its official midpoint reference for the yuan to a fresh 11-year low of 7.0326. This is the 9th straight day it has lowered its official midpoint and the 4th straight session when the midpoint has been set at below 7. Now, the People's Bank of China, you remember, allows the yuan to fluctuate by up to 2% each direction from each day's midpoint. And today's midpoint is 0.16% lower than yesterday's and the weakest since March 2008. It is, however, still firmer than market estimates. A Reuters report today quoted a senior Chinese central bank official as saying that currently the yuan is at an appropriate level and that movements of the yuan in either direction will not necessarily cause disorderly capital flows. So here's a look at where the yuan is trading right now at around 7.06.